Hi, pretty. Hi, pretty girl. Hi. Look at this pretty little señorita. Yeah.
You're a rainbow.
You are a rainbow.
Yeah, rainbow. Yeah, rainbow.
Okay, let her talk.
Mom,
She's telling you something.
Mom,
She's telling you something.
Mom, I wish that some way we could set up the phone where it like holds it up to do it.
That'd be great.
So we could all.
Oh, she's smiling. She knows her brother's over there. Yeah, say, I know my brother. Yeah. Yeah. I see my brother. Say, I see my brother. What's that bright light? What's that bright light? Oh, you're a little superstar already, huh? Say, I'm already ready. I'm ready for the cameras because I'm most beautiful. I'm the most beautiful. And I know it. Tell them, Maya. Say,